Introduction to KPI Suite, Management Information System provided by KPI Lab. 4 main points in this video presentation about KPI Lab and their products implementation, SAT-gaze examples of dashboards, and lastly, some additional features. KPI Suite is a prime quality product long-term experience of a team of developers embodied in a system solution configurator automation of processes of an assessment of activity of any complexity ready-made configurations ready-made templates with algorithms of calculations and interfaces affordable cost flexible cost calculation based on the user's tasks work in a cloud-owned server can be rented, SaaS, or installed on user's server integration. The system can be easily built in the existing IT infrastructure. The primary objective of KPI Suite platform is to collect data, increase company effectiveness, provides personnel assessment as well as business processes assessments and monitoring projects, manages tasks, online dashboard and data input and integration with IT. The KPI Suite platform is based on special modules. These modules are a basis, a so-called kernel of the system. Each user has an opportunity to expand functionality by means of additional components and configurations, depending on tasks, functions and business area. Modules and extensions, pictures, documents, text files are stored in special libraries. The KPI Suite platform provides storage of user _s data. KP is dictionaries, metadata. Dashboards provide presentation of data, charts, tables. They also allow to enter data, if necessary integration. If we can obtain data from other IT systems for carrying out calculations, we use this module. Stages of implementation. Introduction. It is necessary to analyze or prepare specifications of the project. 01. Development of structures. We form structure of storage of our objects and indicators, companies, employees, KPIs, etc. 02. Development of templates. We create panels of indicators according to the requirements of the customer. Logic, transitions, KPIs. 03. Integration. We define sources which will be used for data collection and KPI _s definition. 04. Testing. According to the test plan, we begin test data loading and data check. 05. Installation and training project team system administration training transfer of results. If necessary, we sign an additional IT support contract with the customer. 01. Definition of metadata. We define a basis of our objects, units of measure, reference manuals, the periods, other information objects. 02. Definition of storage structures. We shall define how data in structures will be stored, how we will measure them, how aggregate, what trends will define indicators. 03. Definition of correlations. Indicators can be linked and can share its characteristics. 04. Dashboard design. We define our panels of indicators, external look, sequence of shows and communications. 05. We create panels of indicators. KPI Suite tools allow to create tables, diagrams, charts, links and connect them with stored data in the system. 06. Integration with other systems. KPI Suite system can be easily integrated with Microsoft Office applications. 07. Control of information sources. KPI Suite system allows for receiving data from other systems or from hand input. 08. File management. KPI Suite libraries with documents and pictures can be used in modules. 09. Administration of system access. We can limit not only access to different types of data, but also to data processing. Here are some examples. For Balanced Scorecard. The Balanced Scorecard is a management system that enables organizations both to clarify their vision and strategy and translate them into action. It is not only a measurement system, it is a complex instrument which provides feedback around both the internal business processes and external outcomes in order to continuously improve strategic performance and results. This system was introduced by Harvard professors Robert Kaplan and David Norton. Perspectives. The first generation of Balanced Scorecard designs used a four-perspective approach to identify what measures to use to track the implementation of strategy. The upper perspective, in business firms, is financial. Strategy map. Strategic objectives are defined for each perspective. They can have different trends, increase, reduction, etc. Measures are selected based on a set of strategic objectives, plotted on a strategic linkage model, or strategy map. Results-based management. Definition of communications between strategic indicators, which help to define vertical strategies. Balanced scorecard is a means used to transfer a business's mission and strategy into strategic performance indicators. It was introduced by Harvard Business School professors Robert Kaplan and David Norton. Tables setting tables of any forms and columns tailored for a specific user needs. Diagrams combination of different types of graphics and diagrams, i.e. bar charts, pie charts, arrow diagrams, etc. Can be based on any indicator or a group of indicators. Or for organizational structure evaluation of staff members and personnel cards available. Moreover, any component elements may be displayed similar way, including subsidiaries, departments and subdivisions of the company. Here are various types of diagrams and tools allow for setting dashboards in order to analyze required indicators. For Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedules or plans. Multi-criteria analysis, such criteria as project stage costs, weighting coefficients, as well as terms and duration of project stages become good extra bonuses to standard plan, actual analysis. Informative diagrams may combine planned and actual terms of the project, various color indicators used for different levels of completeness and percentage indicators used for level of performance. Historical data each project stage may bring new events affecting project development in general and subsequent stages in particular. The system may store the historical data on each stage if necessary. Heat map. Our experts in cooperation with our partners develop dynamic risk assessment models which allows for defining significant risk factors, weighting coefficients and planned figures. Once actual data have been received, each model element is analyzed by plan, actual analysis risk matrix. Some projects require risk matrix. To form the matrix, such indicators as risks, factors, influence and approximate period of arising. Heat map. Once the risk matrix has been set, you can easily transfer its data to the heat map for visual representation and risk analysis. Now for some additional features. Active notifications. While creating a new task, the system will notify you, allowing you to change the current task status or add notes instantly in email program. This module can be used with Office 360 available via mobile and desktop platforms. Notes calendar. In order to save your time, the system synchronizes your tasks and send regular notifications. Now you can allot tasks with one click of your mouse button as well as monitor their state and evaluate them. Data collection integration with DB. Possible to receive data directly from database management systems, ERP, CRM, etc. Data mart. Better to create interim layers to ensure security. API handling. Various modern gateways are implemented providing an access to data. Version control. In case the source version has been changed after installation, it can be easily updated for a new data mart. Manual entry and edit. If necessary, format data collection is available. Benefits for the implementing parties. Promptness. Managers are always promptly informed about urgent situations. Reduction of costs of ownership. Automation of processes allows for reducing costs of data collection and consolidation. Unified KPIs database. In order to eliminate duplication of indicators from different sources, we offer a unified database for KPIs. Reports. Automatized generation of reports for further analysis. The report module may be used to transform information to other systems as well. Outputs available online. Various dashboards provides with the opportunity to create customized interfaces both for laptops and for PCs and cell phones, Microsoft, iOS and Android based. Self-sustainable support. Upon implementation, you obtain ready-made internal first-line support group. On request, our experts are always ready to provide your company with extended support of implemented systems. Here are the implementation model provided by KPI Suite. Collection of requirements. We prepare common documents summarizing clients' expectations from implementation. Elaboration of an individual model. Our professionals design a pilot model of a future system. It is possible to work together with a client team. Launch of a pilot model. The group conducts model testing and analysis to compare planned and actual outputs. And lastly, meeting. Upon obtaining the outputs, we organize a meeting where all the parties may discuss project development based on a pilot model. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, you can contact KPI Suite directly with details shown here. Or you can contact us at airsoft.com for support, as well as the best deal possible in the case of buying KPI Suite or any other tech softwares.